Potensic Atom SE stands out as the best budget mini drone of 2024. Potensic is well known for producing competitive and affordable drones, and the Atom SE's standout feature is its impressive 4K camera equipped with a 13MP 1/3 CMOS sensor and an 8MP lens. This setup ensures you get excellent image quality and vibrant color reproduction. Additionally, the drone offers intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and 360-degree circular mode, making it easier to capture professional-grade footage. The built-in GPS is a great feature, helping you retrieve the drone if it ever gets lost or drops out of sight. Other notable features include a quick battery charger, a remote control compatible with smartphones, and an easy setup for proper calibration. Weighing less than 250 grams, the Potensic Atom SE complies with most flight regulations, allowing you to fly without special permits. Its foldable design enhances portability and protects vital components. The camera records videos in 4K resolution at 30 FPS and captures photos in both JPG and RAW formats. It boasts a 12MP Sony CMOS sensor with an electronic stabilization system known as EIS Shake Vanish, ensuring sharp and stable images even in windy conditions or sudden movements. The Surge Fly flight control system and Shake Vanish technology provide smooth and stable aerial shots, enhancing your flying experience. The drone's viewing angle ranges from +20 degrees to -90 degrees, allowing for wide and varied shots. The Atom SE also utilizes PixSync 2.0 technology for reliable, real-time video streaming, transmitting 720p HD video up to 4 kilometers away. Good stuff!